She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, I is it, the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So for today's recipe, I was in the mood for some cheesecake because I am a cheesecake lover. I decided to go ahead and make some mini caramel pretzel cheesecakes. Let's call them that, caramel pretzel cheesecakes. They're going to be in the mini style, so of course you can eat as much as you like. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me that big thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Always appreciate that. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something
Alright you guys, so here are the results for the caramel pretzel mini cheesecakes. Of course, this is just a regular based cheesecake, but we do have a delicious graham cracker crust, and then also topped it with that homemade caramel sauce and a pretzel just for a nice little bite. Definitely are going to enjoy this, especially if you do enjoy cheesecake like I do. I can take any type of cheesecake, so this definitely hit the spot. And the fact that they were mini cheesecakes made it even better. Almost made me feel like I wasn't indulging on too much, but I did eat a few because they were very, very tasty. So hopefully you guys do give this recipe a try. Again, I definitely recommend it if you are a cheesecake and caramel lover. If you did enjoy the video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Also guys, don't forget, drop me a comment down below. Let me know how you did enjoy the video. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, quit wasting time, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you are notified every time Miss Shan drops a new video. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.